Hey everyone, guess what? I just got a new ceiling fan for my bedroom. It's a Harbor Breeze Springfield. I still have the original box. I got this fan at Lowe's for $80. I got it with my own money, of course. And I was surprised to find out that it was like all Harbor Breeze there. Like there was there were a couple of Hunters there, like 5 or 6. But they're all 5-minute fans, and I didn't want those. And there was this other company. I forgot what the name was called, but they only had like 2 there. But anyways, yeah, Harbor Breeze, Springfield, 52-inch matte white finish, limited lifetime warranty, reversible blades in white/whitewash finish, may be used with or without light kit. That means you can have the light kit or you cannot have it. When I first got the fan, it didn't have the light kit attached. It only had the switch cap, which I didn't throw it away. I still have it because I bought another light kit where where the switch cap is actually required. I'll put that on like sooner or later, but not now. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Here's the other side with the reversible blades. Oh yeah, so 52 in matte white, reversible blades in whitewash oak, 4 alabaster class shades, 3-speed 3-speed reversible motor, and 4-inch down rod included. And I have the down rod installed. But you can install it where you don't have to have the down rod, where the canopy screws directly into the motor. Yeah, I didn't want to. Yeah, I don't want to do that. It's got that quick and easy installation, and it's got 4 40-watt candelabra bulbs included. Let's just take this off my bed. Oh yeah, on the top. That's just all warning and customer service, and that's all in Spanish. Same thing. Yeah, that's all whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this off my bed, and there it is. Well, you already seen it at the beginning of the video, but still. Before I turn it on, I just want to show you how awesome this thing is. It came with the bulbs, and so let me unscrew one for a sec. And it didn't come, and it doesn't have the screws or anything. It's installed in a special way. So this whole plastic ring unscrews, and the globe comes out. And yeah, if you want to put the globe back in, you gotta put the globe in first, and you gotta screw the ring in. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's put the ball back in. Yeah, it came with the official Harbor Breeze chains. That one has the light decoration. That one's got the fan. The light works really well. All 4 of them light up at the same time. And that's what it was talking about, the easy blade feature thing. Yeah, you don't need screws or anything. That just slides right off. Well, I'm not gonna do it because yeah. But yeah, that just slides right off, and then you gotta pull that part. Then this part pulls back, and the blade just pops right off. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got the Harbor Breeze logo right there. So yeah, I'll show it to you running. Here's low. I'm also gonna reverse it too. I gotta tell you, this thing is way better than my Littleton by like 300%. Here's medium. It makes no sound either, no wobble. Absolutely perfect. Right, last but not least, high. Stop it. Now it's on reverse. Medium. Right. Here's high. Alright, that's my Harbor Breeze Springfield ceiling fan. Thank you for watching.